Hey y'all, so I haven't recorded my dressing room escapades in quite a while. So just to show you what I'm wearing today, something simple and casual, easy to throw on and throw off when I'm in the dressing room. Green t-shirt is from Target, I believe. Jeans are from Rainbow, sandals are from Rainbow, and my Missouri necklace is from AliExpress. It's kind of cute, kind of corny, I don't know. But yes, we're going to get into this try on portion. Not many items that I've seen that I really thought were cute. This t-shirt or tank top, it was decent. These Bermuda shorts, nothing special, just extremely ripped. And of course, you'll see the other items in a little while. I really didn't purchase too many things. I was just trying to get ready for my trip to New York and just, trying to find some cute, cheap stuff to wear. But really wasn't having too much luck with that. But yes, go ahead and enjoy the video. Okay, so this first dress I did purchase. Personally, I would definitely wear it with Spanx. This material, I cannot put my finger on exactly what it is, but it's stretchy, but at the same time, it's kind of like form-fitting. Can't really figure it out. It was like $12.99 or something, maybe even $10.99. I also like this dress. I did not get it. I just picked one or the other, and I have really been liking yellow, and I have enough army green stuff. But both dresses are extremely comfortable and less than $15. These shorts were a no-go, and there's nothing else to say. So I really thought these overalls were going to be a go, but just a few more yards of spandex and it probably would have worked, but no, didn't purchase them, just was not working for me. This tank top was cute. I mean, it's literally something to just throw on with a pair of jeans, shorts, whatever, skirt. It was $14.99, I believe. And when I went back a few days later, it was dropped down to like $10.99. I mean, it's a cute tank top, but it really wasn't anything that I had to have. So I believe I picked up this romper in a 2X. Definitely would have needed a 3X. Did not go back and get that size. Didn't feel like trying it on. It was a no-go. It was cutting me in all the wrong places. Like, looking like a fool and a half. Did not get it. Was not interested. Now this jumpsuit, I actually found it on the clearance rack. And it was $13, I believe. Perfect blue, but it was just way too tight. Even wearing Spanx, this would not look good. Okay, like just too much stomach. I look like Humpty Dumpty, so I had to go ahead and put it back. But it was just such a cute, nice piece, like a classic little going out piece for somebody to have in their closet, but it just was not working for me. Have been obsessed with rompers and jumpsuits. This one I probably would have went up a size, and more than likely I would have wore, some type of Spanx or support undergarment or something. I love that big ruffle. It was super cute. Unfortunately, I did not see it in my size, and I didn't really look for it anymore in other locations. But definitely really cute. The denim was super soft. And it's just a cute little piece to have, last minute plans and you don't really feel like trying to figure out an outfit. Just throw this on. Another little denim dress or item. This was okay. Really wasn't feeling it. I mean, I'm really loving dresses that aren't extremely tight, especially for this up and down weather. But I mean, it really wasn't a must have. Very cute though. Now, like I said, this is either TJ Maxx or Marshalls, not really sure, but I did go ahead and get this jumpsuit. This material is really nice. Again, can't figure out what material this is, but it definitely made me look like I had a waist, so it was a must.